Hey guys, we received this Bruno Marc men loafers for test and try. So it comes in a really nice gift box. As you can see, is US 11 Bush 01 design. And then let's just open. So it's a nice packing, or I will say a premium packing with the fabric shoe cover and also a nice pair of shoes, as you can see it here. So size 11 and is comfortable and looks good. From the side also, the sole wise is nice here for the rubber sole. And then also from the side is a pseudo leather with this nice logo on the side. So stitching and everything looks good. Also, like you can see from the side, stitching and everything looks really good. So let me just wear and show it. So after wearing it, I feel it's a comfortable fit and also like from the side cover stuff. Walking also with a memory foam sole, it's really feel nice and comfortable. And then from the sides also looks fine. So overall, my impression is good for these loafers, and you can also wear it with the sock or directly and enjoy the loafers.